Right, so let's dive in. Let's start with initial setup. You're going to go to zonetrial.com or z1trial.com/EU if you're in Europe. So z1trial.com. Put in your company name. Mine is Happy Me Limited. It's Happy Me Dash, but it doesn't let me do a dash. I'm going to put in. You want to set up an account. Yeah, because I've already done it a few times. Let me just do Happy Me Inc. You obviously put your company name in. I'm going to put in. I'm going to sign up with my email, password, phone number, where you are. I accept terms. I would like to receive marketing. I don't think anybody clicks that anymore. It's a European thing, but it's killed internet marketers, isn't it? Sign up, right? This is going to start your 30-day trial. You're not going to have to pay anything. It's not going to ask for your credit card or anything like that, right? I'm going to tell it to save my password, and you're in. Basically, that's you've signed up, right? So there are no applications assigned right now. Click here. It's going to take you to an application page where you want to activate your sign-ups. I've just got two emails. One's from the Zoho team saying welcome, confirm your email. So I'm just going to confirm that. The other one is an email to me saying that you've signed up and you've joined my partner program. So now you're in, right? So that's all you've had to do. A big question with Zoho One is, where should I start? What app should I do first? What am I going to... what do I need to use Zoho for? It depends on your company. 99% of you will use Zoho CRM. Most may use Zoho Mail. It's up to you if you're using mail on Zoho Mail or if you're using external mail. You can use external. I would say go all in and use Zoho Mail. This was all about putting your company into one platform, wasn't it? But a lot of people maybe not want to make that jump straight away. So I would go, definitely turn CRM on. Definitely turn Zoho projects on in your CRM. Book some people and recruit we can come to. You don't need to worry at this point which ones to add and which ones not to. You can add them later. So you may just want to do Zoho CRM, Zoho projects, and if you're going to use email, Zoho Mail, right? So just add the applications. It's going to say take a coffee. It depends how many you've added. It won't take that long. Look, so now it's added. And I've got Zoho CRM and Zoho projects. So there really is, that is as easy as it is to sign up. And I'm going to keep these videos really short just so that you can jump about and click. We're going to talk about adding users. In the next video, I'm going to go into Zoho Mail, add the z1trial.com domain and start adding users with that email address. So I know this was a quick video, but it really is that simple to sign up.